What's up guys, I'm back with another video, another OBD code video. Today we're talking about the P0137 Geo O2 sensor circuit low voltage bank 1C sensor 2 OBD code problem. This is a really simple OBD code problem. You can find the solution in this video, so stay with me, we jump on the video. Okay guys, so first talking about the what is the mean of the P0137. Actually the P0137 is the OBD2 generic code indicating the O2 sensor for bank 1 sensor. 2 is a filling to increase the voltage output about 21 volts, indicating excessive oxygen in the exhaust. This code occurs when the engine control module ECM sees the voltage of the O2 sensor for bank 1 sensor 2 below 21 volts when the ECM has commanded the fuel to a targeted rich condition on the bank of the engine. There is the three possible cases in this P0137. The first thing is the ECM detects the low voltage problem and turn on check engine light. The second thing is the ECM use other O2 sensor to try and control the fuel injection with their values. The last thing is the exhaust leaks. So the symptoms on this code, the first symptom is the engine will run rich during the testing of the sensor of a problem. The second symptom is the check engine light will be illuminated. The third one is you may have exhaust leaks before or near the O2 sensor in question. So I'm giving you the P0137 little bit of geo description. The heated oxygen sensor to H2S after three-way catalyzed manifold monitor the oxygen level in the exhaust gas on each bank for optimum catalyzed operation. The air-fuel mixture air-fuel ratio must be maintained near the ideal stoichiometric ratio. The H2S output voltage change suddenly in the vicinity of the stoichiometric ratio. The engine control module adjusts the fuel injection time so that the air-fuel ratio is nearly stoichiometric. The H2S generate a voltage between 0.1 to 0.9 V in response to oxygen in the exhaust gas. If the oxygen in the exhaust gas increase, the air-fuel ratio become lean. The ECM interprets lean when the H2S voltage is below 0.45 volt. If the oxygen in the exhaust gas decreases, the air-fuel ratio become rich. The ECM interprets rich when the O2S voltage is above 0.45 V. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to watch more OBD trouble code videos, you can check out my channel, YouTube channel, or do hard check, click on that playlist, and as you can see, this is the full playlist about the OBD trouble codes. And of course you can visit my website carsfall.com and read detailed article about OBD2 trouble code. So hope you enjoy this video. I see you in the next video. Peace up.